I am Dr. Lisa Upton, and I'm a heliophysicist at Southwest Research Institute in Boulder, Colorado. That means that I am a scientist that studies the sun. I was drawn to the sun because I was very fascinated by the fact that the sun has this 11-year solar cycle, this rise and fall of activity over a period of about 11 years. And I wanted to understand how that process worked. So the sun has a lot of different types of activity. It may seem like just a ball floating across the sky, but it's actually a very dynamic place. I think the most common feature that people might have heard of are sunspots, or active regions. These are places on the surface of the sun where the magnetic field is emerging through the surface of the sun. And these active regions are constantly being shuffled around by turbulent convective motions on the sun, which causes them to wind up and store energy, and then eventually all that energy has to be released, and that's typically done in the form of a solar flare or a coronal mass ejection. I think my favorite thing about the work that I do is that I get to be curious, I get to explore, I get to discover. As a scientist, you get to ask the questions and try to work to figure out these puzzles and figure out how the physics is working in our environment. And so I love that process of discovery and learning about the universe that we're in.